After 30 days, the Kappa Mantis has finally arrived. Actually, 29 days, which is awesome. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's get a knife. Open. Okay, so how do I do this? One-handed knife cuts. I do not recommend. All right. That is so much tape. Hopefully this isn't like broken. Let's see. So it just looks like it's been tossed around a bit, only because of this empty box, which has nothing in it. I believe this is the fast charger. I can't read any of that. All right, AC/DC charger model. It's 5 amp. It's a 5 amp charger. I don't know if you can see that. Zoom. I'm gonna take this all out and then BRB. So I've almost got it all the way out. This is the handlebar. It's hanging here. There's still stuff in the box. And this is what came in the box so far. It's got like the back plate, which is cool. I didn't think I was gonna include that. A little logo. The original charger, which is the, let me see here, 2 volt or 1.57 or 1.75 amp, which is cool. And it's, here's the thing I'm worried about. It's got this connector here on the small amp, or the small charger, but the big one has just got 2 of these. So where do you plug it into the scooter? And then the manual. Oh, it also has a bag, which came as a gift, and it's underneath here. I'm gonna get that in a minute. Let me pull this out. I almost forgot. Multi-tool. Came with a multi-tool. So here it is. Cabo Mantis. Mantis, whatever. I think this is the newer version. I'm not really sure. I don't know all the versions. But it's cool. It's giant, dude. It's huge. This is the charge port, which has like a bunch of foam stuff on it. The 24 amp hour battery. It's not an LG battery. I think it's a Samsung battery. It might be an LG battery, but I doubt it because it doesn't say, you know, LG. The tires are cool. It doesn't have like any brake line deals. It's just this, you know, thing here. This is the flap that can pop up. Apparently people are worried about that. Figure that out later. And let's see the light. Oh, that is actually stupid bright. Oh, headlights, brake lights that you can, I guess I don't know if you can see me when I'm hitting the brake. It just sort of does this little blinky deal here. Button. The mini motors controller came out of the box with, it says 54 to 53%, 58 volts. I believe that's right. What else? Single motor, dual motor buttons. Let me turn this off for now. And then again, the bag was underneath it all, but it did come with this giant front bag by Wildman. I can't even put my hand around it. So I got this off of Sunny Times on AliExpress. No, I apologize. Nope, scratched at Alibaba, and it was $1,300 plus shipping, which was $300 during the COVID crisis, and it came in 29 days. So I ordered it the 10th of last month. It is the 9th today. Oh, that's cool. It's a lot of space. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here, and I'm gonna ride it around. If you have any questions, I guess just leave them in the comments below. Yada yada yada. I want to figure out how this 5 amp hour blah 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 battery works, because I don't know how to charge it, because I need this adapter, and that doesn't have that. So I'll figure it out.